Ready to ditch the shaky sideline videos and capture your athletic highlights in pro quality. Today, we're diving into how students can potentially snag Veo 3 for free through exclusive student packages. First things first, let's understand why a Veo 3 would be a game changer for students. Imagine recording entire matches hands-free. Then using Veo's AI to automatically create highlight reels is a powerful tool for athlete development, coaching, and recruitment. Now, to the free part, head over to the Veo website. Look for a section dedicated to education, student programs, or partnerships. These are your golden tickets. Veo often collaborates with schools and universities, offering discounted or even free access to their technology. If you don't see any information on the website, don't give up. Try contacting Veo's sales or support team directly. Inquire about student discounts or potential pilot programs your school might be eligible for. Sometimes, all it takes is a simple email or phone call to uncover hidden opportunities. Also, check with your school's athletic department, sports clubs, or film departments. They might already have a partnership with Veo or be in the process of establishing one. Being proactive can definitely pay off. Free Veo 3 for students might seem like a dream, but with a little research and outreach, it's absolutely within reach. Unlock your creative potential and level up your game with this amazing technology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow student athletes and filmmakers. Good luck and happy filming.